to win the Lotto. Secret combinations revealed. How do you win the Lotto? What are the secret combinations that will guarantee you will win all the time so that you will be able to finally pay off all your debts, so that you can buy that dream home and car and take that dream vacation, so that your financial future will forever be secured and you will never ever have to worry about money ever again? How do you win the Lotto? It's all going to be revealed in this video. And if you're thinking, is this too good to be true? Is this a scam? I promise you, the things you learn in this video are all legal. It is simple, and best of all, it's 100% effective. In fact, it's how many of the rich people today became rich. So if you're ready, then let's get started. In order to win the Lotto, and yes, win it all the time, you need to remember this code. And this code might seem weird at first, but I promise you, it will make sense in just a moment. Make sure you also have your pen and paper to write this down, because it will reveal to you the winning combinations no matter what kind of Lotto you play. Are you ready? Here is the code. DPL, because WIAC, so CTBW. Now, again, this code might seem weird, but it's going to make sense in a moment. So, the code comes in 3 parts and I will explain them one at a time. DPL. This actually stands for Don't Play Lotto. That's the first part. That's how you win all the time, every time, guaranteed. Don't play Lotto. Okay, now before you close this video, hear me out. If you came here to watch this video to really learn about the winning Lotto combinations, just listen to this. Playing the Lotto for fun or for entertainment, that's okay. Masaya naman talaga paminsan-minsan isipin kung anong gagawin mo kung manalo ka ng 100 million jackpot, di ba? But if you play the Lotto with a sincere belief that it is your way out of all your financial problems, if you play the Lotto hoping na ito ang magiging sagot sa lahat ng problema mo pagdating sa pera, then I'm really sorry to tell you this, talo ka na agad. If you want to have financial abundance, Lotto is not the answer. In fact, Lotto is the exact opposite step towards financial progress. Bakit? Because when you're playing the Lotto, it's saying to the world na swertihan lang ang pagyaman. It's a statement saying that achieving wealth is just pure luck. And if you believe that, if you think that swertihan lang ang pagyaman, then again, I'm sorry, you will never become wealthy. I know that life can be tough. You can be the most hardworking person out there, being a single parent, having to support your 3 children and possibly even your brothers and sisters, or you might have been through a tragic accident that wiped out your entire savings and you just feel hopeless and it just feels like you'll be forever stuck in the rat race. Isang kahig, isang tuka, and you know, when you're in this place, there's a huge temptation to simply dream and hope that maybe if you just win the Lotto, all your problems will go away. That there will be this magical instant solution where all of your life's challenges will just disappear. And it's easier to go through life thinking that it's all based on luck, na swertihan lang talaga. But no, even if life is tough, you should never ever surrender your future to luck and chance. You should never give up and say, bala na si Batman. Now, if you're still here watching, then that means you're ready for the second part of the code. The second part is WIAC. That means wealth is a choice. Ang pagyaman ay isang desisyon. Wealth is not achieved through luck or chance. It is not achieved through picking the right number combination. No. Wealth is determined by your everyday decisions. The decisions you make now, tomorrow, a year from now, all of those will have an impact to your financial future. Sure, luck will sometimes have a factor, win a raffle there, get a gift here, but the impact of luck, yung suerte, it's just always short term. Your financial decisions will still determine your long-term results. Just think about the stories of all the people you might know who already won the Lotto. There are jackpot winners who won millions of pesos, but after 5 years, it's all gone. They are back to where they started. Or you might know someone who didn't win millions but maybe a couple of 100,000s. Sure, winning that changed their lives over the course of 2-3 months, but after, what happened? Ganun pa rin. In the long term, it will be your financial decisions that will determine your results. With that said, let's now go to the last part of the code. So, the first two parts are DPL because WIAC. Don't play lotto because wealth is a choice. The third part is CTBW. That stands for choose to be wealthy. Because wealth is a choice, then we should be choosing to be wealthy. Every day, we make decisions, big and small, and each decision will make you either poorer or wealthier. Did you upsize your fries and drink? Did you canvas before you bought that new piece of furniture? Did you really consider all your options before you made that investment? Did you read the fine print of the contract you just signed? Will you fake a sick leave just to get out of work? Will you have that courage to look for a better job? Will you lend your relative the money that they need? You know, all these decisions we make every day. Some of them will obviously be big and requires active thought, but many of them are seemingly small and insignificant. But all of them will have an impact to your long-term wealth. Now, the challenge here is that many people actually do not know which decisions lead to wealth and which lead to poverty. Maraming tao hindi alam kung aling choice ba yung papunta sa pagyaman at alin yung papuntang kahirapan. Some choices may seem like you're getting richer when in fact you're actually getting poorer. For example, a person has a dream of owning his own brand new car. So this person takes out a bank loan for 5 years to get this brand new car. 5-year loan because that's what he can afford. So this person may seem rich. Wow, bagong kotse! But actually, this person just became poorer because every month he has an obligation to pay the bank. And the reason he can't resign from his job, or the reason he can't invest yet, and the reason why he can't take any unpaid leaves is because every month he has to pay the bank for the car loan. So yes, bagong kotse nga, pero tali ka naman sa bangko. Is that really the path to wealth? It's something that deserves more attention. Now, in this video, we're not saying that all bank loans are bad. That would depend on each individual's financial circumstances and goals. The important part is, you on your own be able to recognize which choices lead to wealth and which lead to poverty. And you take the choices that lead to wealth. And the way to do that, to recognize which, is to educate yourself financially. Read financial books, attend seminars, get online training, learn about money management, budgeting, insurance, investing, taxation, business, so that you will never say the words, akala ko kasi, ayan tuloy. There are a lot of things to learn when it comes to money. You don't have to learn them all at once, but the key is, you get started with your financial education. You have to start somewhere because that's how you get to start experiencing financial progress. So, how do you win the lotto all the time? What's the secret combination? It's DPL because WIAC, so CTBW. Don't play lotto because wealth is a choice, so choose to be wealthy. Now, if you're someone who watched this video really hoping to get the secret winning lotto combination and you're still here, even though you learned that lotto is not the answer, then I have to say congratulations. Congratulations for taking responsibility for your financial future. Congratulations for watching this financial education video. It is our best hope that you indeed stop playing the lotto and, more importantly, continue educating yourself about money. Because that is the true formula and secret for winning the game of wealth. Hey there, J3 here. Did you enjoy this episode? If you did, well, there are two things you can do right now to continue your journey towards financial freedom and abundance. First, subscribe here in our Pinoy Money Academy channel so that you'll get updates on our new episodes so that I can send you free training videos on everything and anything about money. Second, if you want faster results towards financial freedom and abundance, you can subscribe to our 5 Pillars of Wealth online video series. This is a free series of 3 eye-opening, life-changing videos where you learn about the 5 most essential concepts
needed for anyone to become wealthy. And if you don't know these 5 pillars of wealth, well, you're disadvantaged in your journey. You can view this training for free online just by going to the following URL. That's pinoymoneyacademy.com/5pw. The link is displayed here on the video. Again, the link is pinoymoneyacademy.com/5pw. I look forward to seeing you in our next episode. Until then, always remember that wealth is a choice, so choose to be wealthy.